Good morning everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I am going to say about the topic kill the cancer. Before I start, I am going to divide this into three parts: the history of the cancer and how this spreaded and the cause of the cancer, and finally the kill of the cancer. History of the cancer. The cancer is a Greek word. It is derived from the Greek word. It was derived by the Hippocrates and the Greek scientists, and later it was translated into the Latin word called cancer. Basically, the cancer is a Latin word, and how this cancer is spreaded and why this cancer is spreaded. Let's see about it. The cancer is mainly spreaded from the 20th century. Before that, the word is since millennia, but the word is spreaded since 20th century due to the increase of lifespan. Before, as we see from the 15th century or 16th century, the lifespan of a person is about 30 to 40 years, but in 20th century the lifespan comes to the 70 to 80s, and presently, as we see in 2022, the lifespan of a person is 83 years. So this is the major cellular membrane, the cells in the body gets damaged, and it will be tough to react to the cancer tissues. And let's see now the cause of the cancer. The cause of the cancer. There are 5 steps of causing the cancer. First, the smoking and tobacco. Using of smoking in the 20th century has increased more and more. And also next coming to the obesity. The people they sit and they'll go lack in the physical activity. That's the cause of the cancer also, and spending less time on the body, and that's a major cause of cancer also. And okay, let's see about the kill of the cancer. Cancer can be killed through 6 ways. That are chemotherapy. So chemotherapy is a therapy where the particular cancer tissues are being targeted and damaged, and if removed, if necessary, that the surrounding tissues also can be removed. That's called chemotherapy. And chemotherapy not only decreases the cancer tissues, but also damages the body through anemia, which causes the fatigue and hair loss, headache, and several issues through that. And neutropenia, that is called neutropenia, which means the less in the red blood cells and less in the red blood cells, white blood cells. That's called neutropenia. So next, targeted therapy. Targeted therapy is a modern therapy where modern therapy, and it's also the advance of chemotherapy. That it affects more, but also better than the chemotherapy, as we say. Next, immunotherapy. In immunotherapy, the immune system is developed into the body to remove the cancerous tissues and degrade that. Last and finally, I want to say that cancer can be killed through the physical activity increasing more, and focusing on personal